Hello, this is Mr. Eagle, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to calculate your target heart rate. Your target heart rate is a zone that you should work out at, and it really dictates the intensity you should be working out based off your heart rate. The first thing you need to do is figure out your maximal heart rate. Your maximal heart rate is the highest that you should ever work out at as far as your heart rate goes. Okay, we start doing that by 220 minus your age. So you take 220 minus, I'm going to do my age, but you would do your age. And so my max heart rate is 180. Okay, so go ahead and do yours. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take that number and you're going to times it by the percent or the intensity that you're going to be working out in. I'm going to give you a zone. We're going to have a low end and a high end. Okay, so first we'll do the low end. Okay, you're going to take your 180, or mine's 180. You're going to take whatever your 220 minus your age was, but I'm going to take 180 times it by 0.65. It's 65%. So that's going to equal 117. And then I'm going to take, that's the low end, 180 times 0.85. And that's going to be the high end. That's 153. So my target heart rate is going to be somewhere between 117 to 153, depending upon what I'm trying to accomplish. But when you're working out, that's really where my range should be. Your range is going to look a little bit different, but by using this formula, you can figure out what your range is and what your numbers are.